Hi and welcome to today's morning report on Monday the 22nd of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Is there a Greek deal on the table? It may well be. Market sentiment has increased impressively today. The DAX is up over 3%, FTSE's up over just 1%. Also the CAC's up 3% as well. So these Eurozone indices are certainly benefiting on the back of this news that over the weekend the Greeks have come up with a deal, potential proposal for the EU Leaders Summit to mull over today and package of sort of extra government spending cuts and also tax rises is going to now be obviously considered, and initial signs are supposedly fairly positive. So it looks like certainly the markets have taken this as a strong sign. Sentiment improved, so safe haven trades are unwinding. So that is meaning that we're seeing the Bund yield pushing higher again, having sort of been falling away in the last couple of weeks. Bund yield's pushing higher. Also the prices of gold are going down, and also the yen is weakening as well. So all the classic safe haven trades are unwinding, and it's interesting that that is happening as the stock markets are rallying. So certainly an improvement and a risk-on sentiment is in play today. Now, Forex markets are not really moving too great deal actually today. The euro hasn't really reacted at all. It's basically just a little bit lower, just sort of 5-10 pips lower now against the dollar. So not a huge amount of movement. The only real movement we're seeing on Forex markets is the yen weakness that we have, and also the Swissy weakness as well. So that means that I'm going to look at the announcements today, economic announcements, and all we've got is existing home sales for the US, 5.28 million expected there. So again, another strong month expected there on the housing data for the existing home sales. So that would be dollar supportive if it comes through, but certainly the market is focusing elsewhere, I think, today. Anything that comes out of this Eurozone Leaders Summit today is going to be massively driving sentiment. So that's this afternoon, so we'll wait, keep an ear to the floor on that one, but certainly that is the big focus for today. Now, my chart today is the Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar has been falling and continues to fall consistently, and in the last week or so it's been sort of finding resistance around that 0.7 mark, but seems to be clearing that again. So it seems to be putting pressure back towards the downside, back on that low that we saw last Wednesday at 68.74, and the resistance resistance around 70 big figure is fairly sizable now. So it looks like on the momentum indicators, certainly the pressure is to the downside. All these momentum indicators are in bearish configuration across the board, and further weakness looks like it's going to be seen. Now you've got this this sort of band of resistance that sort of comes in between sort of 69.50. I mean, if you want to the pip, it's 69.40, but 69.50 up towards 70.10. So nice sort of 60-70 pip band of resistance there. That if you saw a rally towards that, I think that would be your chance to sell. Look at this RSI on the hourly chart; seems to be rolling over in the last couple of weeks or so. Every time it gets towards 60, seems to be rolling over. And MACD lines, every time they get towards neutral, rolling over, and stochastics as well. So interesting that we're getting all these indicators coming through, suggesting selling opportunities. Look at also that 89-hour moving average continues to fall away and being used generally as a basis of resistance. So once again, that's around 69.20 odd at the moment. So I would say any rally towards that 69.50 would be 69.40, 69.50 would be an ideal opportunity to sell, because I think you're going to get lower move in this Kiwi, and that sort of continues on from this assertion from the the Reserve Bank of New Zealand that they were going to be continuing to likely to continue with their dovish rhetoric and also their potential easing measures. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the Kiwi today. Lots of volatility, not so much in the Forex markets, but lots of volatility elsewhere. And I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.